Want to load cash into your Cash app fast and easy? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to use your Cash app barcode at Dollar General. And it works at other participating stores too, so you can add money to your balance securely in just minutes. Here's how it works. First, head to Dollar General or any store that supports Cash app barcode loading. Open your Cash app and tap the dollar amount or the bank icon in the bottom left. Scroll down and select Paper Money. Then tap Show Barcode. Your unique barcode will pop up. Hand it to the cashier and they'll scan it. Give them the cash you want to load, and within seconds, you'll get a notification confirming the money is in your Cash app balance. This is one of the easiest ways to add funds without linking a bank account, and the barcode system keeps your transactions safe and secure. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more quick Cash app tips. And let me know in the comments if you've tried this at other stores too.